Hey guys, welcome to Nanny Playhouse. Say hello to all my friends.
Hi, Nanny Cindy.
Hey guys!
Hi, I'm Kaden. I'm Soraya. I'm Jesus.
Now that everyone's here, let's see what's in our nanny box. Okay, Kaden, you are the first to pick.
It says we're having a gingerbread challenge.
I have an idea, guys. Why don't we give the best gingerbread house to my neighbor, Mr. Grumpy?
That is a great idea. And plus, I love gingerbread houses. Me too.
Okay, guys, let's go. So, looks like we have some graham crackers,
I'm gonna have those for Thanksgiving.
some vanilla frosting, and peanut butter.
I love peanut butter.
Okay, so we don't have any gingerbread. I think we're going to use these graham crackers instead. What do you guys think?
That's actually a good idea.
Awesome.
Smart thinking.
I have an idea. Why don't we have a challenge? Whoever can make the best gingerbread house out of these graham crackers using peanut butter and icing wins.
That's a great idea.
So we don't really know who wants to be in what team. Who wants to be in Team Frosting?
Me.
You? Okay. All of you guys. All right. So I think we're gonna have a difficult time trying to figure out the teams. I'll take the ladder. Let's flip a coin.
Okay.
Heads, frosting. Tails, peanut butter. Ready?
Yeah.
Kaden, we'll do you first. Heads. Okay, Kaden. That means you're Team Frosting.
Yes.
Okay, who's next?
Me.
Alrighty, remember, Team Frosting, heads, Team Peanut Butter, tails.
Okay.
Heads.
Heads.
That means you're Team Frosting, which means that me and Jesus are Team Peanut Butter.
Okay.
Okay, guys, here are some plates and 2 butter knives. Would you like to open
This is
the
a
peanut
hard
butter?
nut to crack.
We made a great team.
We're done too. Poundies. Yes!
All right, now we're gonna let you guys decide. Team frosting or team peanut butter? We got the winner, Team Frosting!
Yay! The Baymax.
All right, time to call Mr. Grumpy and let him know that we have his graham cracker gingerbread house.
Hello, this is Mr. Grumpy.
Hi, Mr. Grumpy. Just wanted to let you know that we got a gingerbread house for you made out of graham crackers and icing.
Well, I don't really like gingerbreads, but I guess I'll take one since I'm hungry.
Okay.
Well, he's not very nice.
Well, Soraya, Mr. Grumpy doesn't mean to be mean. He's actually like the gingerbread house. He's hard on the outside, but super sweet on the inside. I got just the thing. The spirit of kindness. God wants us to be loving and kind to others, even if they aren't kind back. Mr. Grumpy, are you still there?
Oh wow, I am, and you know what? I think it would be great if you came over to Gingerbread House. That's so nice of you.
Thank you, Mr. Grumpy. We'll be right over. All right, guys, before we go, let's say goodbye to our friends. Bye everybody!